Filtering Netflix content by language is a great way to find shows and movies in your preferred language. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to filter by language in Netflix. So the first thing you have to do for you to be able to filter your language is open your browser, then go to Netflix, enter your password and enter your email and your password to sign in. So once you sign in, click on your profile icon in the right top corner and select account. From the drop down menu near the top of your screen, click on browse by language. Once you do that, choose your desired language from the drop down menu. You can now filter by original language or subtitled language or subtitles, and that's how to filter by language in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.